responsibility to provide manpower to serve the need of industry as of our respective country here together. OVEC has tried to modernize, that I have to say, modernize our curriculum, learning and teaching method, and of course the evaluation. We have to provide technical and vocational education and training or TVET for individual needs. That is the most important. But of course, our resources cannot serve all the individual people. We still need to find a way to do that. And of course, we need to serve the lifelong learning for TVET. One of the most important things is, of course, about digital technology. As the chair of ATC, and based on the last ASEAN Minister of Education meeting, ASEAN, in Thailand, with the theme on digital transformation, I hope that we will keep moving on the promotion and support of digital skills for our students. I wish we will work together, and of course we will learn and exchange together how we can provide manpower in the Agri-food sector.
Our presence here today is a testament to the shared commitment of EU and ASEAN to address the twin challenges of equipping our workforce with the skills needed to thrive in an evolving and complex world, and at the same time adapting our food ecosystems to extreme weather events that are becoming increasingly frequent, heat waves, droughts and floods. Today's global challenge indeed requires us to reimagine how we develop skills for the future. Closing the skill gap is not just a socio-economic necessity, but it's a step towards building resilient societies. EU and ASEAN both recognize that quality education and training are fundamental to sustainable and inclusive economic growth. In particular, TVET stands at the heart of this vision. It's an opportunity to empower ASEAN youth, to give them the skills needed not only to secure employment, but to be active contributors to the region's long-term prosperity and sustainability. This workshop itself is a critical step in ensuring that the skills that we foster today will support ASEAN's future workforce in emerging sectors such as digital transformation and sustainability. Today's workshop is the first of a series aimed at aligning TVET with industry needs. I trust it will allow us to identify the key gaps in employability and lay the foundation for future workshops on finding solutions and tracking progress towards the goals. As we move forward, let's identify potential for even stronger collaboration.
I would like to thank the colleagues from the Office of Vocational Education Commission, OVEC, the Ministry of Education Thailand, Dr. Angsan, for hosting this workshop with the timely theme, identifying key issues and gaps of employability in the agri-food sector in ASEAN. OVEC, in its role as the new chair of ASEAN TVET Council, ATC, will play an important role in the years to come, advancing TVET connectivity across ASEAN in the coming years and also across the regions around the world. The Scope Higher Education Program is aiming at the policy level. Therefore, a series of policy dialogues at the level of ASEAN senior officials meeting on education, SEAMEO, will be co-organized with ASEAN partners to facilitate dialogue and collaboration. Distinguished guests, we agree that TVET plays a critical role in equipping individuals with the necessary skills to meet the evolving demands of the labor market. Fostering employability requires innovation, relevance in higher education, Working jointly with partners, we aim to explore the crucial role of higher education institutions and vocational institutions in bridging the gap between academia, government and industry to better prepare graduates for the demands of the evolving labor market.